Alright guys, so this is on the 1 minute time frame. Ayan, makikita natin sa gilid, nasa 1 minute tayo. So we have this profits, open PNL. And this one is only a demo. You can practice dito. So let's close this one na. Itong pinaka PNL natin na 67. So close lang dito sa gilid. Close. Right, and confirm. So, we can see sa history and makikita natin yung mga trades na available. We can also pull out dito guys ng pinaka tools, no? Dito sa gilid, merong show drawing tools, no? Ayan. So, we can add like trend lines and other tools dito na available. Like for example, this one. So, you can explore this one guys if you're interested. Hi guys, today reviewin lang natin itong Just Markets. So, isa sa mga platform ito to trade yung gold, oil, indices, and crypto, no? So, discuss lang natin dito guys yung mga features na available sa kanilang platform. I'm recently verified na rin dito. So, again, full disclosure lang dito, this video is a sponsored video. Dito nga guys, no, makikita natin na meron silang pinaka-disclaimer sa taas. Trading financial products is complex and carries a risk or high risk of rapid financial loss due to market volatility, no? So, please ensure you fully understand yung pinaka-risk na involved and basahin yung relevant risk disclosure dito before trading, guys, no? Ayan. So, isa sa mga na-observe ko dito, guys, ay yung malinis na user interface, no? So, pag-uusapan natin yung mga features na yan. Pero bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So, punta na tayo dito sa pinaka-details nitong Just Markets, no? So, yung mga features nila dito, isa sa nagustuhan ko is yung swap free trading, no? So, walang pinaka-overnight charges for all clients nila. So, meron din sila ditong low and stable spreads. So, stable trading with tight spreads. Starting from 0 pips. Fast execution, isa sa mga advantage if you do this like scalping strategy. Meron din sila ditong 24/7 na live support, no? Kung meron kayong mga questions, feedbacks, ay meron silang features na ganyan. Though, itong gantong features is given naman ito sa mga platform. And no commission. So, trade commission free sa kanilang pro tapos standard accounts, no? So, dito yan sa may trading tab lang. So, you can check naman itong pinaka-trading tab nila. Merong standard and professional accounts na kung saan ay walang commission, no? Instant withdrawals. So, easy to access yung pinaka-funds anywhere and anytime guys, no? So, yun. Isa sa mga products or available tickers nila dito. Stable and reliable pricing sa gold, Euro USD, BTC. Meron silang mataas na leverage. Yung average spreads nila dito, pips is 2. Swap free available guys, no? So, ito yung mga available dito sa kanilang platform, no? Ayan. So, you can check this one, guys. Other alternative. Lalagay ko na lang sa pinaka-description ng video na ito yung official link para mapuntahan nyo. And dito nga, guys, sa baba ay meron silang pinaka-importante, no? Yung pinaka-safety. Yan yung pinaka-priority nila. So, they protect your privacy and advanced security measures, ensuring yung funds and yung payments are safe, no? So, meron silang negative balance protection na tinatawag, wherein you can trade confidence dito. Ayan. So, dito guys, no, if we check natin yung kanilang education, ayan, meron dito mga details sa market overview. So, we can check. Yung mga partners nila, we can check as well. Platforms available sa MetaTrader 5 or MT5. Meron din silang Just Markets trading app. And yung MetaTrader na web terminal, no? So, we can check naman yan. Yung markets, available yung Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, and crypto. So, ito yung pinaka-market overview if ever na merong mga updates and other details dito. Mga news, so mababasa natin dito guys sa kanilang market overview, no. Ayan, so yung pinaka-summary, pwede nating i-check dito guys, no. So, meron sila ditong web trader na tinatawag. So, pwede mong gamitin kahit yung pinaka-browser mo lang. You can just access this one. Walang installation, integrated economic calendar na. Tapos, less device load. So, less security guys, no. So, you can explore this one guys if ever man na i-check mo itong trading tab tapos standard accounts. So, may mga available dito. Like, for example, MT5, yung spread makikita mo naman dito guys, no? So, sa professional accounts naman, ay makikita natin dito yung pro tapos row spread, no? So, like for example, makikita natin dito kung magkano yung pinaka minimum. Ayan. Again guys, no, I'm just sharing this one lang. I just want to share itong pinaka ideas for just markets and other insights pa dito. Right now, ito yung mga available na features dito. I tried the application and I would say it's simple and smooth naman yung pinaka-executions niya dito. So, standard client, meron sila ditong kahit 10 na USDT. Ayan, makikita mo dito. Kasama na yung pinaka-crypto sa standard guys, no. So, like for example, we can check this one. Ayan, register lang tayo. And, mapupunta tayo dito guys, no. So, we can try the demo. Ayan, add new account lang ako dito. Tapos sa standard, try demo. And like for example, you can update the leverage. So for example, 1:500. Yung sagad nila, 1:3,000. Oh, masyadong mataas yan. So, lagay ka lang ng password. This is only a demo guys, no. So, create. Ayan. And we can have this trade. For example, sa terminal. Dito sa browser na kagad. So, meron siyang pinaka-web browser that we can simulate. So, ito yung pinaka-user interface niya. Simple lang. Walang masyadong makikita ka dyan. So, yan yung colorway nila. Blue and red. So, sa pending, it's a limit order. Ayan, dito sa taas. And then market, if you want to like buy instantly. So, you can use this market order, guys, no? So, sa pending, you can set your preferred price. And if ever man na gusto mong mag-set dito ng mas mataas kapag mag-sell short ka, ganyan. So, you can set that price, guys, no? Ayan. And then, dito sa baba, ayan, meron pinaka-confirmation, limit confirm sell, and mapi-place siya dito sa may pending orders, guys, no? So yun guys, kung gusto nyo explore itong Just Markets, you can check yung pinaka-description ng video na ito if you're interested. Ayan, so meron din sila ditong BTC dito sa gilid. Ayan, so malaki yung kanilang pinaka-ticker icon dyan. XAU, Gold USD, BTC USD. Ayan, makikita natin dito na available yung BTC USD pair. And meron ditong executions that you can, like for example, try itong sell if you think that the market is going down, buy if you think that the market is going up, no? So, for example, if you want to do this pending or limit order, so adjust mo lang dito and sell, add ka lang dito ng pinaka-percentage and lalabas na itong pinaka-sell button na ito, guys, na, and then confirm, and ma-add lang siya dito sa may pending order, guys, no? If you want to set the take profit and stop loss, punta ka lang dito. Ayan, so you can add TPSL dito. Like, for example, you want to add this stop loss. Ayan, and then TP. So, for the sell, mas mababa dapat yung take profit, and sa stop loss, mas mataas doon sa pinaka entry price mo, guys, no? And then modify order, and makikita mo na siya dito na nag-update, guys, no? So yun, hope you get some insights dito, guys, sa video natin today. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Hope you get some ideas. This is only an educational video and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice, guys. No? So, we have disclaimer naman na diniscuss kanina early on. And, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.